Teclast, a well-known name in the world of affordable tablets, has recently introduced its latest offering, the Teclast T45HD. This tablet is developed with budget-conscious consumers in mind, offering a practical solution for various media needs, without the hefty price tag associated with premium devices. Let's delve into the key specifications and features of this new tablet. The Teclast T45HD boasts a 10.5-inch IPS panel, with a resolution of 1920 by 1200. What sets it apart is Teclast T-Color 3.0 technology, which enhances color reproduction, ensuring that your videos and images come to life with vivid and accurate colors. The tablet also features a responsive touch sampling rate of 120 Hz, providing a smooth and immersive touch experience, although the standard refresh rate remains at 60 Hz. Running on the latest Android 13 operating system, the Teclast T45HD ensures you have access to all the latest features and security updates. This provides users with a modern and user-friendly interface for their everyday tasks. Under the hood, the Teclast T45HD is powered by Unisoc Tiger T606 SoC, a capable chip that combines a powerful Cortex-A75 with 6 efficient A55 cores. This setup is further complemented by a Mali G57 GPU, ensuring smooth performance and the ability to handle a variety of tasks, including media consumption, web browsing, and even some light gaming. With 8 GB of RAM on board, this tablet ensures multitasking is a breeze. Plus, if you need even more memory, you can expand it to 16 GB through a swap file. The tablet offers 128 GB of internal storage, and if that's not enough, there's a memory card slot for further expansion, so you can store all your favorite movies, apps, and files without worrying about space. The Teclast T45HD features a 13-megapixel main camera for capturing photos and videos, and an 8-megapixel front camera for video calls and selfies. Additionally, the front camera supports face unlock, making it a convenient way to unlock your device quickly and securely. 2 built-in speakers provide a decent audio experience, and if you prefer a more private listening experience, there's a 3.5mm headphone jack for connecting your favorite headphones or earbuds. The tablet houses a 7200 mAh battery, which is quite sizable for a device in this category. This ensures that you can enjoy your media and stay productive throughout the day without constantly searching for a charger. The Teclast T45HD comes equipped with a GNSS module that supports GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, and Beidou, making it a handy tool for navigation and location-based services. It also features a cellular module, enabling 4G network connectivity, and supports dual SIM cards, making it a versatile option for staying connected on the go. The Teclast T45HD is indeed an enticing tablet, offering a wealth of features at an affordable price point. However, it's important to note that as of now, the tablet is listed on the Teclast website with a price tag of just under $240. While this presents an excellent value for budget-conscious consumers, there is a bit of a hiccup: the tablet is currently unavailable. In conclusion, the Teclast T45HD tablet is a practical and cost-effective solution for individuals who want a reliable device for their media and daily needs without breaking the bank. With its impressive display, modern Android OS, robust performance, expandable storage, and versatile connectivity options, it caters to a wide range of users looking for an affordable tablet with a feature-rich experience. Teclast continues to be a strong contender in the budget tablet market, offering value and performance that won't disappoint. What do you say about the new tablet model? Write your opinion in the comments. I will be interested in discussing with you. Have a nice day and God bless you.